Hi, my name's Damon Bennett, owner and operator of Bennett Building Company, and I've built a lot of decks in the 30 years in this business. And you know what I found? It's the little things that really make or break a great deck. This deck, it's beautiful, functional, and well designed. The wood looks spectacular, but doing this deck at a good margin, on time, and under budget, and with no callbacks, is more about what you don't see. Now here's the truth. I love GRK Fasteners for every deck that I do. They don't break, they don't strip, they don't split wood, and there is absolutely no pre-drilling. Now I can trust that every screw that I buy will end up performing what it was designed to do. Now I want to bring you back to the shop so I can show you exactly what we did underneath this beautiful cedar. Now let me show you some of the GRK fasteners we actually used on the deck. Now we're going to go right to the R4 multi-purpose construction screw. Now you see this right here? The head has a patented underhead that countersinks the screw with these 6 cutting teeth. They also transport the drill dust away from the edge of the screw hole without cracking or splitting the wood. Now this thread also helps reduce splitting by enlarging the hole as you drill. I like the fact that the main thread is open and drives the screw smoothly and with a lot less torque. And we're talking about case hardened steel that makes for a strong screw that will never strip. Now watch this. See me moving that around? That does not strip. That's what you want in a screw. Now we're jumping right into the RRS screw, which is the structural screw that replaces lag bolts, which I love. No more pre-drilling, because you know a lag is a 1/4 inch thick by whatever length it's going to be. A lot of times they want to split. So let me just show you how this puppy drives. Look at that, no torque wrench. We're doing that with a normal drill. I could probably do that with an impact as well. But you can see it actually has a washer on the end of it too, so you're eliminating the second piece of hardware. It comes in one screw. Now it drives just like the R4, but it's structural. Now you've seen what the RSS can do in this size at a 4 inch. Let's see what an 18 can do right here. Let's have some fun. Just that ease of drilling alone right there. Look at that, no legs, your deck is built. Now you've seen at the shop what GRK screws are capable of, but I don't just use them on decks. I use them on every project I do. So let GRK drive your business with speed, quality, and confidence.